Paige DeSorbo, and I'm on my way to co-host Giggly Squad. We record on the same day every single week, and I'm on my way there. I would probably be the person to lose their wallet in an Uber because my phone is always in my hand. Craig will lose literally anything he has that he brings into an Uber. Craig's a huge fan of like bringing his own beverages into an Uber, which not everyone likes that. And he'll forget it, he'll leave his phone, he'll leave his wallet. He would leave me if I didn't say, hey, I'm coming too. I feel like I always say the same thing, but I'm not like a tie-dye girl. 2020, everyone was at home tie-dyeing things. Couldn't be me. Something that's unforgettable for me in fashion is literally anything Zendaya wears. Something that's just like forgettable in life is ex-boyfriends. Do we even have any of them? I feel like they're dead. Oh, definitely a lip gloss, because I know for a fact I've contributed at least 30 lip glosses to Uber. 5 trillion. That's 5 trillion. That's the only way that evens out. Thank you so much for riding with me, Uber. I had the best time. Hopefully I didn't lose anything. And make sure you check out Giggly Squad every Tuesday where you listen to podcasts.